This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quick steak sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need butter, minced garlic, and beef broth to start. This easy method is perfect for enhancing your steak without much fuss. We'll also use a few common pantry staples to build a rich flavor profile. Get ready to transform your meal in just a few minutes. Now, let's get cooking. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a small saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. Sauté the garlic for about 30 seconds, stirring constantly until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Be careful not to burn it, as this can make the sauce bitter. This aromatic base is crucial for a flavorful sauce. Next, we'll build the sauce's depth. Carefully pour in 1/4 cup of beef broth, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pan. This deglazing step adds incredible flavor. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a subtle tang and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce to deepen the savory notes. Whisk everything together until well combined. Finally, let's finish our quick steak sauce. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 2 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Serve this delicious sauce immediately over your perfectly cooked steak. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic reading device and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.